Hello everyone, this is RussTee Rider. Today I'm planning to install my sliders. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to install them.
No.
Later, after I do some transactions. So how are you today? So today is somewhat a little cloudy. So the forecast says it's gonna rain later, but hopefully it will not. Ooh, traffic. Traffic. What's causing this traffic? Is there something wrong? Someone. So there was an accident that caused this long traffic. I don't know what happened. I didn't see the supposedly crashed motorcycle. They're so busy. Well, it's somewhat crowded in Valencia City because it's approaching Fiesta ng San Agustin. My gloves are still wet because I rode yesterday. I rode last night and it was raining hard, and I did forgot to bring my raincoat also, and this jacket is also somewhat still wet. But I need to wear it for safety purposes. So why is it that if there's a fiesta, they always put flaglets like that? What do you think is the root cause why they put flaglets like that? If you know, comment down below. So I'm gonna install my sliders hopefully today.
No.
Yeah, in BM. In BM. Emporium. And so I'm gonna continue talking later. Gonna do some errands here for a while. Yo. R1 and then R6. Yo. Yo, friend, nako dere. Some big bikes ran by. Haha, we didn't catch it, unfortunately. But anyways, we're heading now to Rusi to fetch my brother. He's having his oil changed for his bike. So we've got the same bike, but with different colors. His is a red one. Haha, car wash. Pulan. Evil laugh. Why is it so traffic today? Why? Well, anyways, we're already near there, so it's okay, it's alright. And my microphone is hitting my chin. We're here. What? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Ah, long one. Okay. So we're done at Rusi. We've done installing the high tensile bolts for my brother's motorbike, and now we're heading home for a while, and then we're gonna go to the welding shop to have our sliders installed. That was just a quick installation. All you need is 6 pieces of I forgot the sizes, man, but I'm gonna update this video. I'm just gonna put the details in front of me. So 2 pieces of big bolts and then 6 pieces of small bolts. That's all you need. High Tensile Strength Bolts. Ha? Mas gusto imong feeling. Mas stable mo dyan. Iyon yung musuga kung mag-drive kag buntag. Kaya para mas makita ka. So we're now heading to the machine shop that we will be having our bikes welded. So hopefully they can finish both of our bikes.
No.
But I think they are not going to be able to. But at least they'll be finishing my brother's bike first because it is already been stripped off. So we're gonna start with his bike first. And hopefully the machine shop is not that busy today.